Ate girls, ang city mo po ba ma-recommend dito sa Germany? Now, I haven't naman kundin or nalibot ang buong Germany, no? But I would advise you to go for like around mga 30 minutes to 1 hour away from the big cities. So, for example, Hamburg, Munich, Stuttgart, there's Filipino communities na din sa Bonn and Heidelberg, ganyan. So maybe those are your options. Berlin is already super crowded for me. Frankfurt din, so maybe you wanted to avoid those areas. I would advise, somewhere close lang sa big cities. Kasi pag sinabing Dorf or village dito, girl, talagang parang feeling mo nasa bundok ka. Tipong mga 30 minutes to 1 hour yung paghihintay ng next bus, ganyan. Pero if you're in the city, it would just be around 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So, mas madaling mag-commute. And then, paglabas mo, may makikita ka ng mga tao. Like, pag nasa Dorf ka talaga na parang bundok lang yung makikita mo. So, it's something, I'm saying it kasi it's something na talagang mag-a-adjust ka. Especially sa atin sa Pilipinas, no? Crowded naman talaga sa atin and sanay tayo sa ibang tao. But if you will be destined, if you will be assigned na talagang nasa bundok-bundok, ganyan, ang hirap, daling maging malungkot kasi wala kang nakikitang ibang tao, wala kang ibang pupuntahan rather than apartment work, or maybe grocery. So, ayun lang.